Hey everybody, Zach Bice with Bice Family Tree. I have a little bit of a more lengthy mail call, so I'm doing this in long form. But I wanted to share this because it's the first time that Amanda has ever won anything, and this was a prize for Crafts with Heather B. This was her 100 subscriber giveaway, and Amanda may or may not have cheated by slashing someone's little digital inflatable duck to win. Who knows? I don't know. I'm her husband, so I'm not to say she's innocent. Uh, but revenge has recently been taken in another digital race with said person, Van Lot, and he stomped her. So there has to be a tiebreaker. So there is one coming, hopefully in the near future. So that may be a pay per view event. Who knows? But I wanted to share this item that Heather created, and it is a set of wooden wind chimes. You can see on the wind blade here, since Amanda is a music aficionado and professional musician, this is the theme that Heather gave it. Really took some time to customize this, and on the back of the wind blade is more sheet music and music notes, but it has the treble clef and the piano keys on the front, and she sugar bond the rods here, and they all have a good tone to them. And on the top and bottom of the main plate up top has the sheet music to Amazing Grace on both sides, and it is beautiful. So I can't wait to hang this out in the backyard, right outside the window, so we can see it. And we are extremely happy and pleased with this. Heather, you did a great job on this. Really, I mean, I don't know if y'all can hear, but it's got good tone. I love the wooden tone and the wooden, because we have metal wind chimes out back, big ones, and I wanted, we wanted something a little different, and so this is perfect. So Heather, thank you so much. Amanda is not currently here right now. She's out of town for a few days, and I wanted to go ahead and do this, but she says thank you as well. She's extremely happy. She loves them, absolutely loves them. So you do good work, Heather. Y'all, if y'all aren't subscribed to Heather, go over to her page, check her out. Her link will be in the description of this video. And again, thank you. We are truly grateful. You did a really good job on this, so keep up the great work. That being said, well, I was at 362, but now I'm at 355. Maybe it'll jump back up. But 362 subscribers, so I'm getting close to that 400. And y'all know me, I'm going to do another giveaway at 400. So let's get there, folks. I'm going to do another one at 500, and then I'm going to take a break off the giveaways and just do them at the big ones, 1,000, 2,000, that kind of stuff. But they will also be a little bit bigger giveaways. So, that being said, I am extremely happy seeing everybody's growth, seeing how everybody's just having a good time, getting along, having fun, doing what they do, and enjoying life. That's what life is all about. Honestly, I think the meaning of life is to make other people's lives better while we're here. That's the meaning of life. That's what we're supposed to do. So, Heather, thank you for making our lives better by creating such a beautiful wind chime. We are truly grateful. And I look forward to seeing your channel grow and everyone else's. My next video will be next week. I will be building an invention that was created by a local woodcrafter, and I'll be posting how to purchase the plans for them from him, and showing how to make it, how to build it. It's a really cool invention. I'm not making anything off of doing the video. I'm just doing it to support him because I really think it's a cool invention. I fell in love with it. I think it's awesome because it's geared towards helping people with, mobility issues and stuff like that. And I'm one of those people. So, yeah, it really impressed me, and I think y'all will be impressed too. It's a really cool invention, so keep an eye out for that. It's coming probably next week. Just got all the wood for it, so yeah, it's going to be fun. So I'll see y'all then. Until then, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Love y'all.